No, I'm trying to get the fluffy one. Look at it. Do it again. Go. Oh, it's mating. It's mating it. I've just got chickens.
Do you get video of it? Were they just mating?
Oh, they just had a good shag.
There's an egg down here.
No, I got them mated. That was so funny. Oh, that one's doing it now. What? I'm coming. I don't think you'll be able to see them.
There's an egg down there, look. Where that other chicken is.
Check them out. Egg one.
See it? Down at the bottom.
Oh yeah, look at it. It's whitening. Like, you ready, people? There, you see it? You see it there? They don't like you.
Look at the
It's this thing that makes me pissed. Look at it. It's humongous.
It's one of those silkies.
Check its arse out. Oh, it turned around at me. No, I want to get the things mating again. That was so funny. There's this one in here. Did you see it?
Yeah, I did.
Did you see it start mating? It just like jumped on top of it and was like, go on, do it again, mate. Go on. Check it out.
God, you got a nasty voice, haven't you?
You got one temper.
This one here, look at its crown.
What?
That one there, look at its crown.
Hello. I agree, you are one sexy beast. Goodbye.